Have you ever wondered what mysteries the Earth is hiding right under our feet or above our heads? Places so strange and unexplained that even scientists cannot fully understand them. What if I told you that some natural wonders appear to break the rules of science and logic? From fires that burn forever to lights that dance in the sky, our world is filled with secrets. Today, we are exploring some of the most mysterious natural wonders on Earth that still leave scientists puzzled. Stay with me, because some of these will make you question everything you thought you knew about nature. Hidden in a small forest in New York is a place known as the Eternal Flame Falls. At the base of a waterfall, a small flame burns continuously beneath flowing water. Visitors arrive expecting only a peaceful waterfall. Instead, they see fire flickering as mist pours over it. Scientists know the flame is fueled by natural gas leaking through cracks in the rock. What they still cannot fully explain is how it has remained lit for decades despite rain, snow, and constant water flow. Local legends say the flame has burned for hundreds of years. Standing near it, you feel the impossible combination of water, fire, and stone existing together in perfect balance. Deep in the deserts of Saudi Arabia stands the Al Nazla rock formation, a massive stone split cleanly in half by a perfectly straight line. The precision of the split leaves scientists baffled. No known natural process should create such a sharp and symmetrical division. Geologists suggest erosion or seismic activity. Yet none of these theories fully explain how nature achieved something that looks almost machine-cut. Looking at the rock, it feels as though Earth itself paused mid-motion and left behind a puzzle. One of the most famous mysteries on the planet lies in the Atlantic Ocean, the Bermuda Triangle. This region is known for the unexplained disappearance of ships and aircraft. Crews have reported sudden fog, spinning compasses, and equipment failures. Scientists point to rogue waves, magnetic irregularities, and violent storms. Still, no single explanation accounts for the number and nature of the disappearances. Some vessels vanished without sending distress signals. They were simply gone. Even with satellites and modern navigation, the Bermuda Triangle remains unsolved. If you are still watching, let us know the country you are watching from, and drop the next video title you would like us to film. In India, the Barabar caves continue to puzzle researchers. Carved thousands of years ago from solid rock, their walls are polished to a mirror-like smoothness. The surface has not faded with time. Scientists still do not understand how ancient builders achieved this level of precision without modern tools. Walking inside feels unnatural. The caves are silent, smooth, and strangely calming, as if frozen in another era. In Colombia flows a river known as Cano Cristales, often called the liquid rainbow. For part of the year, the water explodes with red, pink, yellow, green, and blue colors. The colors come from unique plants reacting to sunlight and water levels. Yet the vibrancy and timing of the transformation still feel unreal. Standing on the riverbank, it looks like a living painting in constant motion. In a remote valley in Norway, strange lights appear in the sky. These are known as the Hessdalen lights. They float, hover, flash, and dart across the sky without warning. Scientists have monitored them for decades using cameras and sensors. No explanation has fully solved the mystery. They are not aircraft, stars, or known atmospheric effects. Seeing them in person feels like watching something not meant for human eyes. In Indonesia, the volcano Kawah Ijen burns with an eerie blue fire. At night, the mountain glows as sulfur gas ignites upon contact with air. Science explains the chemistry behind it. But witnessing blue flames dancing across a volcano feels unreal and otherworldly. The heat, smell, and glow combine into a scene that feels almost supernatural. Buried beneath lava in Mexico lies the Pyramid of Cuicuilco, a circular pyramid older than many others in the region. Archaeologists still debate why it was built in that shape and what ceremonies were performed there. Its survival beneath volcanic rock adds to the mystery. Off the coast of Ireland rises Skellig Michael, a jagged island with an ancient monastery clinging to its cliffs. Scientists and historians marvel at how monks lived there centuries ago. Transporting stones, building structures, and surviving isolation in such extreme conditions remains difficult to explain. Finally, deep in southern Africa, legends speak of the lost city of the Kalahari. Hidden ruins buried beneath sand for centuries. Explorers report stone walls and structures. Satellite images hint at something real, yet no full city has been uncovered. The desert continues to guard its secrets. Our planet is filled with mysteries that challenge science and imagination. From flames that burn beneath waterfalls to rivers that glow like rainbows, Earth continues to surprise us. Scientists may one day explain these wonders. Until then, they remain reminders that nature is far stranger than we often believe. If this journey amazed you, subscribe and stay tuned, because the Earth is still hiding secrets we have yet to uncover.